Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. In today's class, we are going to learn about our solar system. Number 1. Mercury. Number 2. Venus. Number 3. Earth. Number 4. Mars. Number 5. Jupiter. Number 6. Saturn. Number 7. Uranus. Number 8. Neptune. Number 9. Pluto. Number 10. Sun. Number 11. Moon. Number 12. Asteroid Belt. Number 13. Comets. Number 14. Black hole. Number 15. Stars. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.